In this video, I'll show you how to enable drag and drop and copy and paste into your VMware workstation, and just a demonstration of that. So say, for example, you have a picture that you want to drag over to the within the VM. So you need VMware tools to do that, and you simply grab it and drop it, and then you'll be able to have a file just like that. Likewise, if you have any text that you want to copy over, so say this is from my local device, I'm going to be copying that over. And then if you open up a notepad, for example, you're able to paste that from outside into your VM. And it's very simple. If you're not able to do that, all you have to do is make sure that your device is shut down. And the settings, I'll show you in a bit once this is shut down. You will find that information if you right click the server name and go to settings. Whoops. So go to settings, and then it will prompt this virtual machine settings. So you want to go to the options, and then from here you'll want to go to guest isolation. You want to make sure that these two options are enabled for the drag and drop and the copy and paste, and then you'll be able to copy any file that you want over. And it's basically that simple. And if that helped you, go ahead and give a like and subscribe, and I'll be creating lots more videos like this to help you guys out. So enjoy.